Have you ever had a goal or dream that you were on the verge of achieving, but then something distracted you? It's like that one thing was blocking your way, and it took all your energy to push it out of the way. Well, it's not just your imagination. Distractions are real obstacles. Distractions are killers of dreams, goals, and visions. Distraction is the most corrosive disease of the 21st century. It's no secret that the world is full of distractions. We are constantly bombarded with people, places, and things vying for our attention. In fact, most distractions today are just a click away. Our phones and computers keep us connected to the digital world. We can browse Facebook or watch funny videos on YouTube, scrolling through social feeds, and before you know it, hours pass by like minutes. Focus comes from eliminating distractions. The key to success in any field, discipline, or pursuit is concentration. You can't be focused on what you're doing if your attention is being pulled in many different directions. We know that. But it's so easy today to get caught up in the whirlwind of life and time wasters, causing us to lose focus on what truly matters. Unfortunately, most people have no idea how to say no to distractions so that they can say yes to their destiny. They are desperate for a real solution in order to turn their life around. Luckily, there is a set of proven step-by-step strategies and tactics that you can follow to starve your distractions and feed your focus. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to eliminate distractions and stay laser-focused at will, and how you can easily apply these strategies to catapult your life to a whole new stratosphere, while easily build a 6 to 7 figure self-help business empire by helping others succeed. Anyone who is into personal development will love what this transformational blueprint has to offer. Hi, this is Sean here, and on behalf of me and my partner Kelly, we would like to introduce you to our latest self-help PLR, and this PLR will definitely blow you away. We share a common mission, that is to help people like you to create a thriving business that you are passionate about, so you can create real freedom for yourself and live the life you truly desire with private label rights. With your permission, let me ask you this. Are you ready to 10 times your profit and catapult your business to a whole new level? If you answered yes, then you have finally reached the right place to skyrocket your business with almost zero effort on your part. Now, not tomorrow, not in 12 months' time. Truth is, most online business owners give up just when they're about to make their next breakthrough. They quit on the 1-yard line, and I don't want you to be one of them. I'm going to show you how you can grab your slice from the $20 billion opportunity if you stick with me till the end. Here are some common myths when it comes to making money online. Nope. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a tech geek. Heck, you don't even have to spend hours ransacking the entire internet on strategies to make money online, which most of them don't work. So what is the secret when it comes to building a long-term, profitable business? Think of all the top online business owners who are profiting at least 6 figures monthly. What do they have in common? They have their own product, courses, and that's how they built their brand. That said, the key to bringing your business to the whole new stratosphere is to have your own quality contents in the market, to the right audience, in the hottest niche, and at the right time. That's how you brand yourself as an authority figure and make your mark in your niche. However, product creation requires tons of hard work. The good news is I have a solution for you. What if I can provide you massive, high-quality content so you can dominate the self-help niche with ease? What if I can shortcut the entire product creation process for you, provide you a working business model so that you can start building your own lists and even generating sales right away? What if I do all the market research, handle all the stress and hard work for you, so that all you need to do is sit back, relax, and watch your business grow? Today, I'm going to give you full access to a brand new 100% unique product that you can sell to keep 100% of the profits. Introducing Disabling Distraction, with full, unrestricted PLR rights. This is one of the biggest untapped topics in self-help. This PLR blueprint is the real solution that your customers are looking for to get rid of distractions and stay laser-focused at will, so that they can achieve their most ambitious goals. This guide will show you everything you need to know about disabling distractions that could kill your productivity, how to beat procrastination, how to overcome tech addiction, dangerous habits that destroy your productivity, simple practices that improve your focus, and much more waiting to be uncovered inside. Ultimately, this is your customer's go-to self-help guide to those who are 100% committed to unlocking a more focused and productive version of themselves so that they can achieve so much more in life. One massive blueprint jam-packed with valuable information that your customers would thank you for, all with full, unrestricted private label rights. You can sell for 100% profits, edit the content, rebrand, be the author, put your name as the author, give away your list, membership site, build and grow your own membership site, feed your blog, repurpose the product and do whatever you want that fits your marketing needs, and so on. The choice is ultimately yours. Look, you're not looking at some crappy, scammy, third-rate business opportunity here. Our team and I have worked hard to ensure that you'll get a complete, well-researched, and highly in-demand PLR package with full sales funnel, with impeccable content and beautiful graphics so that you can easily make a killing online. We've literally done all the heavy lifting for you. You get a total of 10 big modules for the entire package. That includes the complete checklist, mind map, DFY high-converting sales page and thank you page, hypnotizing video sales letter, DFY email swipes, the entire graphic vault and license certificates. Also, you will get your exclusive 4,000-word 10 most common distractions that kill productivity special report, alongside with done for you landing page to build your list and even pre-sell right from the get-go. That's a full-blown PLR package right there that saves you tremendous amounts of time and money if you choose to outsource the whole thing. In other words, you don't have to waste your time on niche research. You don't have to burn thousands of dollars on expensive copywriters or graphic designers. You don't have to drive yourself nuts with endless content creation. Really now, producing your own content can take up a lot of free time that can otherwise be spent on other things like affiliate marketing, coaching programs, or closing high-ticket sales. Why start everything from scratch when you can have a high-quality, done-for-you product at your disposal? And if you act today, you'll also score some fast action bonuses. This is for a limited time only, so if these bonuses are still listed below, you're still in time. Now, for an extremely limited time, we're offering this complete PLR package for far less than the lowest price of any PLR product you can see out there. Don't let the extremely low price fool you though. One of the core principles of our business is to make sure that you get the best value from us. So, for a very limited time, we're giving away our top PLR package with high converting materials at basement price. I want to keep my promise to you that you can get everything you see on this page for an extremely affordable investment. Special discount only applies during this launch exclusive. Once the timer hits 0, the price will be radically increased. No ongoing fees or monthly fees. One unbelievable low price for a full-blown PLR package with exceptional contents, fully integrated with high-converting sales funnel, ready to generate you continuous profits from just one sale. Now, even a no-brainer knows that this is a golden opportunity that doesn't come often. If you're afraid of getting stuck with another poor-quality PLR, remember that you're backed by our rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. We are so convinced that this is the best investment you could ever make that we are going to take all the risk away from you at this very moment. Really now, there's no way you can lose with this 100% winning deal if you act today. So why wait? Click on the order button below. Let Disabling Distraction PLR build the online freedom that you always wanted.